Look, man, look. Hey, man, I done been waiting for a little while now, man. Since about the 10th grade, you feel me?
Yeah.
I learned a couple things that I want to share with y'all, man. Hey, I want to teach y'all how to keep this on your head while you sleep, you feel me? And once I share it with y'all, man, if it don't work, I'ma quit YouTube. But if it do, I want you to join the game, man. Drizzle game, man. Look, stay tuned, man. Let's get it, man.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they blow it, I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low, they hate on low, they hate on low. Yeah.
What's good, notification gang? It's your boy SwaggDrizzle, man. Hey, I know y'all ain't been seeing me on, man. Y'all ain't seen me in a while, but I'm back at it like a crackhead. Man, look, y'all already know how we rockin', bro. Look, I know y'all wanna see the waves. I know y'all wanna see the waves. Let me show y'all the wave real quick. Oh, let me see. I don't know if y'all can see that, but look, I ain't got no mirror on me. But look, peep this, bro. I'm finna show you how to keep this durag on your head, bro. And no further ado, man, we about to jump right into it, bro. Look, if this your first time on my channel, bro, or you been coming, but you ain't hit the subscribe button yet, bro, I'm gonna smash the subscribe button real quick, bro. I'm gonna wait on you. All right, listen on, bro. It don't take that long to click a button, man. Hey, look, no cap. You feel me? You already know how we rockin', man. But look, let's jump right into the video. All right, man, look. The number one reason why your durag coming off, man, is because y'all not tying this mug. Y'all not tying them all tight enough, bro. You feel me? So I'm gonna show you how to throw this bad boy on the correct way. You feel me? Just like how I do it. You feel me? To keep them things nice, slow. You feel me? And make sure you keep that progress nice and tight up though, man. You feel me? Real simple. You throw it on like that right off. Hold on, let me come up close and make sure the line's straight. Boom. Line straight. Boom. That's all you need to know. You grab them little two, you gonna grab these two things right here. What they call them? The strings on them up. You gonna grab that. Boom. Take it around your head. Boom. What you gonna do? Take it. Boom. Throw it back there again. You feel me? You already know how we rocking, bro. Let me show y'all what I'm doing in the back. I'm just gonna tuck them all like you about like how you tie your shoe. You want it nice and tight on this bar right here. Just like how you tie your shoe, bro. You want that part nice and tight, bro. Tight as you can get it without hurting your head too much. You feel me? It's gonna hurt a little bit until you get this part right. Now, what we're gonna do? You see it looking crazy right now. You feel me? You want to get rid of, you don't want to get no lines on your head. So what you gonna do? You don't want no durag lines. So you gonna flatten them guys out straight like that, right? Oh, boom. Straight as you can get it, boom. And you gonna grab the other one. You gonna throw them up right on top of them straight like that. Real simple, right? Real simple, but you see that? That mug look legit, no cap. Hey, so with that being said, they bring me to my next reason why your durag coming off. The next reason why your durag coming off is because a lot of people go to sleep with the cape out. Who do that? I used to do it too, man. I know you do it, and I know I used to do it back in the day because I ain't know no better. That's why I'm making this video, put y'all on game, man. If you sleep with a durag out right now, let me know in the comment down below right now. And I guarantee, if you do, your durag coming off every time, bro. No cap. Look. So what you gonna do? How we gonna fit that part?
How we gonna fit that part, Drizzle?
Don't worry about it. Let me finish my video. I'm finna tell you. Look, real simple, man. You just wanna grab a little bit of it. You gonna throw it behind that first string. You feel me? You gonna tuck that mug right behind that first one. Well, not the first one, the one closest to your head. You feel me? You gonna tuck behind that string right off. You gonna bow that mug up. You gonna bow that mug up straight like that. And what they gonna do? It gonna keep you from laying on. You know how when you go to sleep, right? Say if you sleep with a cape out. If you sleep with the cape out, right? If you lay down with the cape out, the cape you gonna be laying on the cape. If you like most people, you gonna move eventually while you sleep, right? So when you move, your cape still tucked behind your back. However you sleep, the cape still tucked right there, right? So when you move, your head move, then your body move. You gonna snap the do-rag off. You feel me? Come on, bro, you gotta think about it, bro. A lot of people don't even be thinking about behind the do-rag like that, right? I know where I'm from. Every time I see a dude with a do-rag, that nigga got the cape out. I can't trust a nigga with the cape out anyway, you feel me? I can't trust him. If you walk around me with a cape out, I'm automatically gonna think you still or you just got out of jail. It's one of the two, you feel me? One of the two, bro. No count though. Hey, look, if you new to my channel, man, you already know how we rockin'. Stop playing with me, man. Look, hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you don't miss another video, man. Look. Drizzle gang, full of fat, man. Hey, we on the road to 20K. We lit, no cap.
Just wanna ride my way. Now they road I got shades. They ain't wanna see me grow. They hate on low, they hate on low.